Today, February 12, 2026, a tough volleyball match commenced between Monarlibo Memorial High School and San Nicolas National High School. After a few moments, the match ended with a score of 15-10 in favor of Monarlibo Memorial High School. San Nicolas National High School player Bernice Pachag along with their team congratulated the latter team for winning while fueling their desire to improve. The volleyball team of Monarlibo Memorial High School will proceed to Colaraa in March 21 to 27 in Tarlac Province.